Xterra. We're gonna be doing the condenser. TYC 3100 Rock Auto. Basically, when you start out into this, you gotta take off the front clip, which you'll have some screws on the side, clips underneath, which I'll show you here in a second. On the top, these little triangle, diamond shaped, you just turn into the square, and they'll pop out like that. Turn into the square with a little flat head. There you go. I got all these out. I'll show you what's underneath. Okay, you're gonna have the same, so I'm just gonna show you one side because of course it'll be the same on the other side. You got 3 screws here. Gonna hold this bottom. You see you got this other hanger here. You can see it in there. It's gonna be on a little hook there. You got to undo that. I think it'll drop down. Alright, of course undo your lights. Undo this one right here. Let's see. You undo this one right here. On here, don't worry about it up there hanging because it's not coming with it. Also make sure that you take your 4 screws off right here. Got one there, one there, one there. Got 4 going across here, which will be holding the centerpiece in. Okay, this is what it looks like when you get it that off. We got the 10 millimeters on the side. We're gonna take this little bracket off here that holds your hinge. I think it's 1, 2, 3. You got one down here. We're gonna take that off. Move your horn out of the way because you're gonna be pulling that out this way. And of course you're going to be going down here, taking that off, going around here, taking that off on the side, pulling it out, and we'll get your lines off. I'll show you that here in just a second. Okay, you got a 12 millimeter over here. Of course, for the line, you have to take it off. And I believe it's got a pressure switch on the side of it. We'll have to take off here. Move the lines out of the way. Okay, just kind of have to move it around a little bit. Give me a little bit of pain in the butt. Put your grommet back on the side here. This right here I just pulled up. Just push it down real slowly. This helps you get a little bit more room. Make sure you transfer your pressure switch to the new one. Get your rubber grommets off the bottom. Get the one on the side. And put your new O-rings on the lines. Then you'll be ready for the install. Alright, I'm going to charge it up after I vacuumed it. It held the vacuum really well, so I know it ain't got no leaks. So we're going to check the temperature in there. Okay, another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.